Let's move to the second and the most important topic of Facebook ads. In order to develop a winning strategy, every advertiser has to follow 8 key ads success factors. Anyone with a business page and ad account can create an ad on Facebook, but very few of them reach the desired results. I have an experience of spending over $1.5 million on Facebook. The years of experience will be reflected in this course. First, I will reveal the 8 key success indicators. Then I will briefly discuss each of the points so that everyone gets on the same page. The first success key is the platform compliance. Yes, you heard it right. No one will tell you this, but trust me, long-term success on Facebook ads is heavily dependent on platform compliance. Selecting a realistic goal is the second key indicator of successful Facebook ad strategy. Audience identification, or in digital terms, buyer's persona, is the third key success indicator. If you don't show the right message to the right audience, you're gonna fail. Facebook pixel health is also associated with the audience and overall ads success. Target audience is one of the most important areas in Facebook ads success. Planning the budget with forecasted results is also one of the key factors to create a solid Facebook ad strategy. Once you know the policy guidelines, set the right objective, identify the right target audience, select the right ad placement, plan the campaign budget, the next step will be to create engaging creatives and compelling ad copy. Selecting the ad creative is the last layer of Facebook ad structure. After creating the ad, advertisers initiate the campaign and start measuring the campaign with set KPIs. Ad account, business and business ad measurement is altogether a science, and I will discuss all the measurement indicators later on. In order to stay profitable on Facebook, advertisers need to keep on testing new audience and creatives. Every structured business keeps a separate budget for research and development to continuously improve their products and services. Take ads testing as a part of research and development. If Facebook is your only source of traffic, without testing, you will face inconsistent results. Every advertisement platform has a different size and working structure. In order to be successful on Facebook ads, as an advertiser, you need to understand the platform algorithm. For example, what is an ad relevance diagnostic tool and how it impacts your overall ad campaign. The Facebook ad success is entirely dependent on the right indicators, which you can see on your screen. I will now quickly discuss each of the success keys. Just a reminder that I am just building the pace of this course. You will be learning the details of every Facebook success key in detail later on.